Hey everyone, welcome back to Single Step English. I'm your host, Steve. Today we're going to learn a fun and expressive idiom, freak out. It's a great way to describe really strong emotional reactions, and you'll hear it in a lot of everyday conversations in English. The idiom freak out means to react very strongly or emotionally to something. It can be used to describe both positive and negative reactions. Here's an example. Imagine your family or friends give you a surprise party for your birthday. You might say, I totally freaked out when I saw everyone waiting for me. Here, freaked out means you were extremely surprised and excited. It is the past tense. Freak out, past tense, freaked out. So you were really freaked out by everyone shouting, surprise! Another example, let's say you see a big spider in your room. You could say, oh, I freak out whenever I see a spider. In this case, freak out means you feel very scared or anxious. You might also hear people use this as advice. For example, if another person is feeling anxious or nervous, you can say, listen, relax, don't freak out. Or someone may say, try not to freak out. And that's how you use freak out. It's a very expressive idiom that can add a lot of emotion to your conversations. Thanks for watching Single Step English. Don't forget to like this video, share it with other people, hit the bell button so you can subscribe to the channel and you'll receive notifications the next time I release a video. All right? If it's hot out there right now, don't freak out. Stay cool, everybody. See you next time.